Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. Today is an exciting day, a slightly different video. I am upgrading the 20x10 Hostile Sprockets on 33s to a new 22x12 on 35 setup. Stick around to the end of the video so you can check it out, see what it looks like. Let's go. We just arrived. Yeah.
The next day.
What's going on, guys? Today is actually day 2 of the 22x12's install. Of course, in all Chevy fashion, we ran into clearance issues on the front of the rear of the bumper and the rear of the fender. So we had to additionally do some more NorCaling that we had originally done with the 20x10s on the level, and we had to do a little bit of trimming in the front bumper. I'm going to cut to some of those clips now so you can kind of see some of the work we did there. Didn't have the camera most of the time. And then we'll cut to the reveal of the new 22x12s on the RC 7-inch lift kit.